Hello viewers, welcome back to Fahi's Journey. Today we are exploring one of the most famous and iconic places in downtown Knoxville, the beautiful World's Fair Park. So come along and explore with me. Let's go. We started our journey at a downtown parking area right along Clinch Avenue near the YMCA building, a perfect starting point with easy access to the park. Just across the intersection, you will find the Henley Street crossover, a pedestrian tunnel designed to safely guide visitors under the busy road. As we walked through the tunnel, we got a broad and beautiful view of downtown Knoxville, with luxury hotels like Marriott and the Tennessee. At the end of the tunnel, there is the convention center, and just beyond it, a glimpse of the iconic Sunsphere. This spot also gives you your first real view of World's Fair Park, the heart of today's exploration. Right at the beginning of the park, you will find the Sunsphere Center, a towering structure built for the 1982 World's Fair, featuring a observational deck with panoramic 360-degree views of the city. You will also find a helpful map of the entire park here, perfect for navigating the trails and landmarks ahead. So, as we moved forward, a lovely reflecting pool with fountains came into view. The calm water and clear reflections made the scene look absolutely magical. And just ahead, we found the architectural beauty of the Tennessee Amphitheater, a masterpiece that will instantly grab your attention. With the soothing sound of the fountains and the glimmers of sunlight over the water, this peaceful spot will fill your heart with calm and wash away the worries of the day. Here we are up close with the most iconic structure in the park, the Sunsphere. Although the observation deck was closed during our visit, you can absolutely go up for just $5 and enjoy incredible 360-degree views of Knoxville. The park is open for every day from 6 a.m. to midnight, giving you plenty of time to explore. One of the highlights was the bridge running over the lake on Clinch Avenue. Each intersection of the bridge is painted in vibrant colors with artistic graffiti that really catches the eye. From beside the lake, you can spot all the landmarks together: the Marriott, the Tennessee, the Convention Center, and of course the Sunsphere. Under one section of the bridge, we found a small touching space filled with handwritten notes and framed messages. A quiet corner where people express memories and love to those they miss. It's a place of reflection and heartfelt emotion. Next, we step inside the stunning Tennessee Amphitheater, built during the 1982 World's Fair. It's home to many concerts and operas throughout the year. During our visit, the staff kindly welcomed us and told us about a special star concert happening that evening. We even got to watch some of the rehearsals and jamming sessions, which created such a joyful and spiritual atmosphere. Though we couldn't attend due to time, we definitely plan to come back for a full concert experience next time. As we reached the end of our walk, we arrived at the Great Lawn, a wide open space where families were walking, playing, and relaxing. It's a perfect spot to enjoy a peaceful evening. And if you visit on a hot sunny day, don't miss the World's Fair Mountain, where you can splash around and cool off. So that's all for today's adventure. We hope you enjoyed this tour and got a good feel for why World's Fair Park is such a special place in Knoxville. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to Fine's Journey. And let us know in the comments if there is any other place you would love us to explore next. Until then, take care and see you next time. Bye.